Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel SK Kalamul Box. Today I shall teach you a very shortcut way to determine debit and credit in journal entry. You know, there are so many tools or techniques like golden rule of debit and credit or accounting equation method. You should know this very carefully. But without knowing this, I don't think that you do not want to know this. You want to know this. But today I am just teaching you shortcut way to determine debit and credit. What is that shortcut way? Just 3 questions. If you find a transaction, just play 3 questions and the answer will determine debit and credit. What are the 3 questions? The first question is just ask what is coming in or what is going out. If both answer is coming, then it will determine debit and credit. Suppose machinery sold for cash. Machinery sold for cash. So ask the question, what is coming in and what is going out? It is obvious that machinery sold in cash means machinery is going out. If it is going out, it is credit, cash is coming in and cash is debit. So placing one question, if both answers are coming, then it will determine debit and credit. But sometimes it may be that you are just receiving only one side answer. Suppose rent paid in cash. So what is coming in? Nothing is coming in. What is going out? Cash is going out. So cash is credit. If something is going out, it is credit. If something is coming in, it is debit. So here, rent paid in cash means cash is going out, cash is credit. But what is coming in? Nothing is coming in. Then now you have to place the second question. For what cash is going out? Here the answer is the cash is going out for rent. So cash has been credit. Cash has been made credit. So there must be debit. The answer is debit, rent. So the second question is for what it is going out. Or if it is something is coming in, then the question will be for what it is coming in. Suppose commission received in cash. Suppose commission received in cash. So what is coming in? Cash is coming in. Cash is debit. What is going out? Nothing is going out. So you have to place the second question. For what cash is coming in? The answer is the cash is coming in for commission. So commission is credit. So you place the second question. Maybe that you will not get any answer after placing the second question. Like that, cash received from Ram. So you ask the first question, what is coming in or what is going out? Cash received from Ram, so cash is coming in. So cash is debit. Now place the second question, for what it is coming in? There is no answer. So you have to place the third question, from whom the cash is coming in? The answer is cash is coming in from Ram, so Ram is credit. So cash is debit and Ram is credit. Like that, you commission paid in cash. Commission paid in cash. Placing the second question. Cash is going out. For what it is going out? It is for commission. Cash received from Ram. Cash is coming in. It is debit. And from whom it is coming? From Ram. So just place 3 questions. First question is what is coming in or what is going out. If it is coming in, it is debit. If it is going out, it is credit. If both the answer is coming in from the same question, then you will get debit and credit. If you don't find any one-sided answer, just like rent paid in cash, cash is going out, cash is credit. What is coming in? No answer. So for what cash is going out? It is for rent. So rent is debit. The third question, when Cash received from Ram. Cash is coming in, it is debit. For what it is coming in? No answer. So place the third question. From whom it is coming? It is coming from Rahim or Ram. So Ram or Rahim, from whom you are received the cash is credit. This placing three questions sometimes may clear your doubt in the very transaction like salary paid to Ram in cash. Salary paid to Ram in cash. You may be puzzled. Which two accounts will be debit or credit? Salary, Ram or cash? So ask first question. What is coming in or what is going out? Salary paid to Ram in cash means cash is going out. So cash is credit. Now the second question is, for what cash is going out? The answer is cash is going out for salary. So salary is debit. Here Ram is immaterial. So just placing three questions, you can easily determine debit and credit. Hope you have understood this, but you must learn the basic theory of debit and credit. This is a shortcut way. And the next class, I shall make you teach. I shall make you taught the basic principles of debit and credit. And whatever the courses in class 11, I shall already teach you. So please, this is my first video. Maybe it will not make you taught. Maybe it may be unclear. But if you subscribe this, I shall try for my best. Thank you.